Hello and welcome back again. Today we will see how to quickly create this beautiful animation in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Let's first enable the guides and then format our background. Right-click and choose Format Background. Select Fill Type as Solid and change the fill color to dark blue color. Now go to Insert tab and draw triangle. Rotate it clockwise by 90 degrees. Make it no outline and change fill color to light gray color. Align this triangle to left of slide as shown. Go to Insert tab and select Ellipse shape. Draw perfect circle holding down Shift key. Make it no outline and change its fill color. Align it over triangle shape as shown. Duplicate this circle 4 more times and arrange it across the triangle shape. To duplicate the shape, you can press Ctrl+D or you can drag the shape holding down Ctrl key. Change fill colors of all circle shapes. Now let's create glossy effect over these circles. Duplicate any one circle and format its shape. Select Fill Type as Gradient and change the direction. Make it a 2-step gradient and set right side gradient step to 100% transparency. Change outline to gradient pattern and fill every alternate steps with white and black colors. Increase its size by dragging the corner, holding Ctrl and Shift keys. Now place this glossy shape over each circles. Go to Insert tab and draw horizontal line as shown. Change its outline color to white and also change its weight and dash type. Now draw a small circle at the end of this horizontal line and fill it with white color. Finally, add text fields as shown. Let's speed up to save time. Now holding down Control key, select text field, circle and line together. Without leaving the Control key, drag this pattern to each circles as shown. That finalizes our design portion. Let's start our animation portion. Let's first enable the animation pane. Select the triangle shape and apply fly in animation. Change its effect direction and increase the duration to 1 second. Now go to Effect Options and add Bounce Effect of 0.6 seconds. Select the title text field and apply Zoom Animation. Start it after previous. Now select first set of design pattern by dragging over them and apply Zoom Animation. In Animation pane, increase delay duration by 0.25 seconds for second and third shapes. This will create ripple effect among all 3 set of shapes. Now select the horizontal line and apply Wipe Animation. Change the effect direction and start it after previous. Select small circle and apply Zoom Animation. Start it after previous. Lastly, select the text field and apply Zoom Animation. Again, start it after previous. Now continue to apply same set of animations to other design segments. So here is the final preview. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and comment.